another unboxing. Guys, let's unbox this product. The link of this product will always be on your left hand side when you're watching the video. You need to glow every day. If you don't have this set of products on your skincare routine, forget it. Guys, I've been seeing this product running about the TikTok shop. After my research, I saw that this is what baby girl must have. Now, this is the 3 set serum that you need on your face. We have the under eye serum here, then we have the face anti-aging face serum, then we have the vitamin C serum. So now let's open it to check what is inside. Now this is it. A drop, anything you do, a drop. No, just tell me what you're seeing here. After the serum on my face, I don't think I need any cream. Yes, so vitamin C serum, you put it on your face, it's going to dry off your face. But look at this, now let's move down to the anti-aging face serum. Who do I want to give this one? Look at that blue, baby blue color. Now let me put it in the other hand. I have makeup on my face. This would have been done on my face. Now we're going to be trying it on again after my makeup is being wiped off. This is it. With this one, you know, whatever old. Woo! Natural smell. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, I'm loving this product. It's not giving you that dry surface, and it's not giving you that sticky surface as well. Now let's go. This is the under eye serum. Mostly this summer period, you need this. Wow. I love the natural smell. This is it. Just a drop under your eye, you're good to go, baby girl. So these are the 3 products. I'm going to be leaving the link along with this product, along with this video, in case you need one for yourself. You hit on the small shopping bag to get yours, just on the left hand side.